package signed into law.
Some local families are keeping a close eye on the debate in D.C. because the bill could have a big impact on their lives.
NBC7 political reporter Joey Safchek explains how.
Democrats are sounding the alarm over cuts to social services and clean energy programs. Republicans, meanwhile, are rejoicing over no taxes on tips and savings accounts for children. The San Diego Food Bank is proudly apolitical, but is taking a stand against the changes to SNAP, the food stamp program, in the president's so-called Big Beautiful Bill.
Our numbers are not going down. If anything, they're going up. We're concerned about these cuts.
The bill expands work requirements to qualify for SNAP. It also puts more of the burden to fund the program on state shoulders. The CEO of the food bank is especially worried about where that leaves San Diego's senior citizens.
They're barely getting by. Any cuts will really make it impossible for them to survive and really push them over that edge.
The bill, which passed in the House by one vote, also reduces Medicaid spending and rolls back clean energy programs.
He's broken his promise already on reducing costs for the average American, but he has kept his promise to the big oil companies, and he is doing exactly what they want.
San Diego Congressman Mike Levin calls it the big ugly bill.
You're going to have poor health care, you're going to have poor services.
We are making sure that welfare is working and money is not being wasted.
But the former chair of the San Diego Republican Party, Corey Gustafson, says this bill makes good on the president's campaign promises. It increases border security funding and sets up savings accounts for kids.
You're going to have every single child born in America having $1,000 added to a Trump savings account by the federal government to start them up for opportunity for the rest of their lives.
At the food bank, where their plate is already full, the focus is on making sure they have the resources to keep food on the table.
Anytime federal cuts are deployed out throughout the country, historically food banks have seen our lines increase.
The bill also cuts federal funding to states that use Medicare to subsidize health care for undocumented immigrants. Interestingly, Governor Gavin Newsom recently proposed freezing that program here in California in light of the budget deficit. Reporting in Encinitas, Joey Safchik.